Welcome back. This is Salma here from GFGC Anikal. Let us proceed with session 16 Nuclear Family. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಣುಕುಟುಂಬ ಹಾಗೂ ಇದರದ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು, ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅಣುಕುಟುಂಬದ ಅನುಕೂಲಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಅನನುಕೂಲಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Nuclear family is a universal social phenomenon. A nuclear family is the one which consists of husband, wife and their children. It is a basic unit consisting of parents and their dependent children living in one household. In simple words, nuclear family is a group consisting of parents and unmarried children living together. A nuclear family is an autonomous unit free from the control of elders. It is also called as modern family. ಅಣುಕುಟುಂಬವನ್ನು ಆಧುನಿಕ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾರ್ವತ್ರಿಕ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಘಟಕ. ಅಣುಕುಟುಂಬಗಳು ಗಂಡ, ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಅವಿವಾಹಿತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ವಾಸವಾಗಿರುವ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಣುಕುಟುಂಬ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Nuclear family can be defined as an elementary family which consists of group of people who are united by ties of partnership and parenthood and consisting of their socially recognized children, biologically or adopted. Duncan Mitchell, in his Dictionary of Sociology, has defined nuclear family as a small group composed of husband and wife and immature children who constitutes a unique part from the rest of the community. Eliot and Merrill says nuclear family is a biological social unit consisting of husband, wife and children. J.P. Murdoch has defined nuclear family as one which consists of husband, wife and their unmarried children. Let us look into what are the types of nuclear family. Nuclear family can be classified into family of orientation and family of procreation. A family in which an individual is born and brought up is called family of orientation, which includes his father, mother, brother and sisters. Family of procreation is a family where an individual establishes by marriage, which includes husband, wife and their children. Baltimore has made a distinction between the types of nuclear families into independent nuclear family and dependent nuclear family. An independent nuclear family is a one in which relatively it is independent. It is dominant in industrial societies. It has emerged mainly due to the growth of individualism and intense geographical and social mobility. It can be said that nuclear family is an outcome of individualism, industrialization and modernization. Dependent nuclear family is a one which is incorporated or subdivided to a larger group, polygamous or extended family also. Among the primitive and non-industrial and agricultural dominant societies, dependent nuclear families are found in relatively large number. Characteristics of nuclear family. ಅಣುಕುಟುಂಬದ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು. It is a family consisting of two generations. A nuclear family is a small family which consists of two generations, parents and their children. Blood relation. A nuclear family, all members are related to each other, either kindred, kinship bonds in which the members of family are being united together. Small size. A nuclear family is comparatively smaller in size as it is composed of father, mother and their unmarried children. It is an autonomous unit. A nuclear family functions as an autonomous unit free from the control of elders. Incest taboo based family. A nuclear family is whether it is an independent nuclear family or a dependent nuclear family, it is based on the incest taboos in which there will be restrictions of don'ts. What are the advantages and disadvantages of nuclear family? Nuclear family is helpful in the development of a personality. It plays an important role in the development of a personality of an individual. Children are more close to parents and they can have more and frank discussion about their problems with the parents, which helps them for the better development of a personality. There are less number of children. Family planning program is being more successful in a nuclear family than in other type of families. The member of nuclear families have to plan and limit their family as they have to bear all the responsibilities and expenses themselves in order to rear their children. Children are being benefited in a long run as they inherit directly the family property from their parents. Peace and harmony, which has been a very essential for the pleasant family life. In a nuclear family where there is a misunderstanding does not take place, they enjoy a harmonious atmosphere by living together. And another important advantage of a nuclear family has been individual responsibility. In a nuclear family, there is no shifting of responsibility like a joint family. Parents are bound by taking responsibility by their children. The head of the family has to work hard in order to take care of his family. Better condition of women. Women have been placed at a better condition when compared to the joint families. She gets enough time to look after her children. She also gets the time to plan and manage her house according to her own idea. There is no interference of elders. Problem-free unit. Nuclear families have been called it as a problem-free unit. There is no chance of in-laws conflict. Financial problem does not arise in a nuclear family. Money can be saved for the future purpose and also to face uncertain crises of the family. All members of the nuclear family enjoy an independent life which can be engaged in any economic activities in order to supplement their family income. What are the disadvantages of a nuclear family? The most important disadvantage of a nuclear family is economic. The property of the family has been divided among the members of the family and they live separately. The land has been divided which does not yield much production, which results in an uneconomic holding. Insecurity of a children. In a nuclear family where both husband and wife adopt a profession outside the family, their children have been neglected and they have not been looked after them personally. They have been looked by the servants. They feel lonely and emotionally also. Nuclear family acts as an agency to develop bad qualities of inmates. It is an autonomous unit. It is free from the social control of elders. Children develop a bad qualities like theft, leading to a change in their lifestyle in indisciplined way. They become unsocial as they do not get an opportunity to mix up with other members of the family. There is a feeling of loneliness, which has been an important drawback in the nuclear family. After the completion of a household task, the household becomes alone at home. At the time of emergency, one cannot get any help and support from any other. Insecurity for old, widow and divorced. In a nuclear family, widow, old and a divorced are very much neglected. No one in the family bothers to take care of them. They have been physically and psychologically insecure. Above all, we can say that the nuclear family children are socially, emotionally, and educationally maladjusted. There is a chance of family breakage in case of a conflict between the husband and wife. Still, many prefer to go for a nuclear family in the modern society because of its advantages, which certainly outnumber the disadvantages. These are some of the list of references. Thank you.